Login loop error on MX Technologies fix. Getting stuck in a login loop with MX Technologies can be one of the most frustrating issues when managing your finances online. You sign in, the page loads, and suddenly you're right back at the login screen. But here's the thing most people get wrong. It's not always your bank's fault, and it's almost never your password. MX Technologies powers data connections for many popular finance apps. When a login loop happens, it means there is a problem with session verification between MX and your financial institution. This can be caused by outdated cookies, corrupted app data, or failed authentication tokens. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the app you're using completely. Then, go into your device's settings, find the app connected to MX, and tap Storage. Clear the cache and all app data. This removes any stored session data that could be causing conflicts. If you're accessing it through a web browser, clear your cache, cookies, and history. Then restart the browser and try logging in again. Next, manually re-enter your login details when MX prompts you. Avoid using autofill or save passwords just for this attempt. If your bank sends a security code, approve or enter it immediately. Expired verification codes are a common cause of looping errors. If the issue persists, disable any VPN or proxy connections. MX servers rely on location and device verification, and using a masked app can confuse the login process. You should also make sure your banking app and your financial management app are both updated. Even small version mismatches can lead to connection issues. Once everything is cleared and updated, try connecting again. Most users find that the problem disappears once the cache and token data are refreshed. So the next time your MX Technologies login keeps looping, remember, it's not you. It's your session data. Clear your cache, authenticate, and you'll be back to syncing your account seamlessly in minutes.